Data is everywhere, and today's technology is amassing enormous volumes of information at greater speeds than ever before. Insurance companies that leverage data can underwrite more effectively, improve efficiencies, and deliver better value to customers. But how? Barry Rapkin is a principal analyst with Ovum, a respected research and analysis firm. He is an expert on insurance industry trends and works closely with insurance executives on their technology strategy. He joins us today to talk about big data. Barry, welcome to the program.
Marisa, thank you very much for having me.
So Barry, before we get started, just what is big data and why is it so important?
Well, Marisa, the reason why we're talking about big data is because big data represents an inflection point between what we've always done and a new art of the possible. And this new art of the possible is happening because data is exploding in volume all across the internet-connected world. So big data is really this entire world of internet-scale data described by these V's: volume, velocity, variety, value, and veracity.
Okay, so how can commercial P&C carriers or large independent producers use big data?
Big data enables commercial insurers to think and act like Google. So how could insurers use big data? They could use it for underwriting. They could use it for claims. They could use it for fraud management. They could use it for telematics. They could use it for pricing. They could use it to strengthen their CAT modeling. There's a variety of ways of using this data, and it's only limited by the insurance company's imagination. And one might argue by the amount of money they're willing to invest in the capabilities and the tools and the skills.
So what should P&C companies or producers do if they want to get involved in big data?
Commercial property casualty insurers wanting to get into this, and they should want to get into this, should talk to other commercial property casualty insurers which have already begun to create data science departments. Then I think the next step is to create a small exploratory team comprised of business people and IT. And those business people will be from finance and actuarial and marketing, but also from underwriting and claims. Because again, big data and the tools and the capabilities that go along with it are really there to serve a business purpose, not to serve a technology purpose. The commercial P&C insurer with a small exploratory team should be creating a map, an initial map of challenges which would be resolved by internet scale and internet speed data analysis. But they need to think of the map as a living animal which will change over time as the company becomes more knowledgeable about what big data can do for your companies.
Great advice, Barry. Thank you for joining us.
And thank you, Marisa, very much for this opportunity to talk to you and your audience.